In this video, I'm going to show you how you edit how subtitles appear on videos or movies you watch on Viki by Rakuten. Simple and easy. So you hop on the app like this, tap on your Me at the bottom right corner of your screen here. And now let's tap on the setting button at the top right corner of our screen too as well. Good. Now let's go to the bottom here. And you can see subtitles here. You can turn that on. Display subtitle, you get it, and then subtitle size, font color, and the rest. Just tap on that. And if you're using an Android, it's going to take you to your mobile phone's captions settings, so you can do that. So I set my language to English. My font size, you can do it normal or large a bit, and you can change the caption style. You see this here, so the white with the black background, so you can get to see what you are watching very much clear, or black with white, or white or black, something like that. So that's it on how you edit your subtitle size, the fonts, and the color on the Viki app by Rakuten. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.